Computer numerical control routers are machines that every company should have in their hardware, shop, or factory. These devices are perfect if you require high accuracy and precision. Even many marking system enthusiasts believe they can perform at the same level as marking machines, such as laser marking machine. Although unique, CNC routers come with various features that aid in their functions. Therefore, choosing the right CNC machines can be a challenge. To make your choice easier, we present our top 5 picks for the CNC routers in 2024. Let's go! If you're after the best bang for your buck in 2024, look no further than the SainSmart Genmitsu 3018 Pro VER V2, our top pick for value in CNC routers. This model is a significant upgrade over the Genmitsu 3018 Pro, offering a plug-and-play experience that comes fully assembled. If building a CNC machine isn't your thing, this could be your ideal choice. The Pro VER V2 makes offline engraving a breeze with its dedicated touchscreen, giving you full control without a computer. Safety is also a priority with an emergency stop button and acrylic sidewalls to contain chips and debris. While the crafting volume is slightly reduced, the auto reset feature compensates by simplifying setup. What sets the Pro VER V2 apart is its enhanced aluminum structure compared to the aluminum and plastic mix of earlier models. It's based on the open-source GRBL v1.1 driver, pre-compiled for user-friendliness, so you can get it started within 30 minutes. The Toshiba TB6S109 controllers are both powerful and quiet, with extended life and performance. Plus, opticouplers are included to protect the control board from sudden stops. The high-performance aluminum construction adds stability, allowing you to mill materials more efficiently. Cleaning up is also easier. The Z-Probe is a standout feature, automating the milling height adjustment for precise detailing. Safety is further ensured with limit switches and an emergency stop button or e-stop. We love this product for its sturdy design and user-friendly features. Whether you're working on basic or complex projects, the Pro VER V2 adapts well, making it a versatile tool in any workshop. This CNC router combines reliability, ease of use, and advanced functionality, making it the best value option for your money. Good stuff! Introducing the MYSWEETY CNC 4540, regarded as the best mid-range CNC router in 2024. Despite its playful name, this machine delivers serious performance. Its advanced 3-axis design and powerful 500V spindle ensure you can handle a wide range of projects with precision. The generous engraving surface of 430 by 390 by 90 millimeters provides ample space for various materials including wood, aluminum, stainless steel, brass, acrylic, leather, resin, and PVC. Setting up the MYSWEETY CNC 4540 is a breeze. With pre-assembled components and neatly labeled wires, you can have it up and running in just 15 to 30 minutes. This machine is compatible with GRBL software and supports both Windows and Mac OS, making it user-friendly whether you're a beginner or an experienced CNC user. The included English manual simplifies the process even further. One of the standout features is the Touch Offline CNC controller. This allows you to run the machine without needing to connect to a computer constantly, offering greater flexibility and convenience. The powerful 500V spindle makes metal cutting straightforward, and the large work surface gives you the freedom to work on bigger projects without feeling cramped. The MYSWEETY CNC 4540 excels at efficiency and precision, making it a solid choice for hobbyists and small businesses. Its robust performance and smooth operation ensure that your engravings come out looking personal. While it may have some limitations in terms of extreme accuracy and included accessories, it offers a satisfying experience for most users. The CNC 4540 is a versatile and reliable CNC router. Whether you're tackling simple or complex projects, this machine has you covered. Good stuff, that's for sure. If you're ready to invest a bit more for top-notch quality, the Bobs CNC Router Kit stands out as the best premium CNC router of 2024. This machine is ideal for hobbyists and small business owners who demand precision and craftsmanship. The Bobs CNC Quantum CNC Router is a 3-axis desktop machine tailored for 3D carving and 2.5D projects, making it perfect for home decor, signs, and more. Unlike other CNC routers, this one is made of plywood, giving it a unique and sturdy design. The large 24 by 24 cutting surface allows you to work on bigger pieces of wood, and the 3.3-inch workpiece thickness offers the flexibility to get creative. The movement of the gantry along the X and Y axes is belt-driven, while the Z-axis is controlled by a lead screw, ensuring precise and smooth operation. Although assembling this machine might take a few hours, the effort is well worth it once you see it in action. One of the standout features is the self-squaring gantry, which simplifies the calibration process, making it easier to get started. The Bobs CNC Router Kit is a bit pricier than other models, but the value it offers justifies the cost. You also get access to a wealth of resources on the Bobs CNC website and YouTube, which is incredibly helpful for both beginners and experienced users. Adding to its convenience, the Makita router comes calibrated to the CNC machine, so you don't have to spend extra time on adjustments. The excellent assembly instructions provided by the manufacturer ensure you won't face any issues during setup. This router kit combines high-quality materials, a large work surface, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for those ready to elevate their CNC woodworking projects. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, presenting the SainSmart Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max V2, our pick for the best runner-up CNC router in 2024. The SainSmart Genmitsu series is a big name in the affordable CNC market, and the 3020 Pro Max V2 stands out for good reason. While it's a bit more expensive, its solid construction and powerful spindle make it capable of working with metals, not just wood, foam, and plastic. This opens up a range of possibilities for your project. The solid aluminum worktop is a highlight, featuring various material holding points to keep everything secure during operation. Although it's not an enclosed machine, the side panels help contain shavings and debris, making cleanup easier. If you need to make full cuts, you'll need a separate worktop, but the existing setup is quite robust for most tasks. Expandability is another strong point of the 3020 Pro Max V2. The controller has connections for laser and compressed air accessories, and you can even double the machine's working surface to 300 by 405 by 78 millimeters with additional kits. This flexibility makes it a great investment for those looking to grow their capabilities over time. The GRBL firmware ensures compatibility with popular management software, and the offline controller offers practical direct control so you're not always tethered to a computer. Assembly is straightforward thanks to pre-organized wiring and pre-assembled pull chain, which save you time and effort. The optimized layout, with the power supply conveniently installed on the X-axis rear panel, maximizes workspace utilization. This model has solid construction, metalworking capabilities, and expandability. This makes it an excellent choice for those ready to take their CNC projects to the next level. Whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, this machine has the features and reliability you need. Highly recommended for quality and performance. And now introducing the FoxAlien CNC Router 4040XE, the best overall CNC router of 2024. This machine is a powerhouse, designed for ease of use and reliability, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. What sets the FoxAlien apart is its compatibility with GRBL open source software and the inclusion of powerful NEMA 23 stepper motors, ensuring precise and efficient performance. One of the standout features is the touchscreen LCD controller, allowing you to easily manage projects without constantly tethering to a laptop. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and versatile, whether you're engraving, milling, or cutting. The machine is capable of working on a variety of materials including wood, resin, acrylic, foam, PCB, and even carbon fiber. This versatility opens up endless creative possibilities, whether you're a hobbyist, professional, or small business owner. Users particularly appreciate the seamless connection between the controller and their laptops, making the setup process a breeze. The LCD touchscreen lets you monitor and execute projects smoothly, while the software simplifies the creation of G-code files. The maximum movement speed of 2,000 mm a minute and spindle speed range of 0 to 10,000 RPM ensure you can tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. Safety and convenience are enhanced with the integrated control panel, power supply, and emergency stop button, all housed in a neatly designed box. This not only makes the machine safer, but also easier to clean and maintain. Whether you're working working with wood, metal, resin, or carbon fiber, this CNC router is a top-notch choice for any project. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.